boy, is this ever going to ring your bell. Hey, welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. First, a weather report in this early day of February. It is, believe it or not, 75 degrees, bright, beautiful sunshine, and it's a great time to be in Southern California. So 75 degrees is what F. We'll post that. We'll keep you up to date on that. But guess what's going to happen today? When I said ring your bell, can you guess? Two guesses. If you guess right, tell me down in the comments. But we have a new bell helmet. Now, when I did my 500 video review, I realized that the AGV helmet that I have used, been so faithful and such a good helmet, is now about 3 years old. And I thought, hey, another year, let's try another helmet. Stand by. We're going to unbox it. Okay, first thing to note is that this is a MIPS helmet, Multiple Impact Protection System. So Bell has done a good job of providing that MIPS system across their product line. Got a guy out there filing, but we'll deal with it. In any case, what this means is that not every impact you get with a helmet will be at a 90-degree angle or straight on or something. Quite a few of them will be from periphery or just glancing off or things like that. And the multi-impact protection system is designed to allow your head to slip a little bit inside the protective envelope to allow for those glancing blows and off-center blows. So you get a little bit of movement of your head. Quite a bit of the damage we incur is when it all comes to a super stop. And MIPS is supposed to be part of a system that protects against that. All right, a lot about MIPS. Let's open this thing up. Okay, besides the MIPS safety feature, this helmet comes with a chin vent, a top vent, and a drop-down sun visor, which I'll show you in just a moment. And it's very handsome and will go nicely with the little old red and black Aprilia I know about. It's what's out of it, that there's small, but it's finished, nicht. And and that's down. Okay, I hope you understood all that. Gotcha. Okay, that's it for the unboxing and display. There are ear pockets included in these. Most modern helmets do have ear pockets, or speaker pockets anyway, I guess more properly stated. But our next video, you and I are going to get together and we're going to install the sound equipment, the communication equipment that I use, tell you how to do that with some cautionary tales there. I've had a fair amount of experience over the years now. And then ultimately, we go for a ride. Hey, 2026 turning out okay for you? I hope it is. Talk to you later.